Proper skincare is important for people living with an ostomy. Esenta Sting-Free Adhesive Remover Wipes may be a helpful step in your ostomy routine. Esenta Sting-Free Adhesive Remover Wipes may assist in removing your pouch and adhesive residue left over on the skin after removal. Start by removing the wipe from the sachet and unfolding. To remove the system, clean the surrounding skin with an adhesive remover wipe. Lift a corner of the skin barrier or tape. Wipe the adhesive remover between the skin and then gently peel the adhesive down and away while continuing to wipe. With the other hand, push down on the skin above the barrier to aid removal. Once pouch is removed, the wipe can be used to assist in removing any remaining adhesive on the skin around your stoma. Esenta Sting-Free Adhesive Remover is also available in easy-to-use sprays.